Hey, what is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys and unbox the NUU Mobile R1. So go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family, and comment down below what you think about this video or any other video. So let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing of the NUU Mobile R1. Alrighty guys, and here we are with the NUU Mobile R1. Like I said, ever since I left the show floor, I wanted to actually get my hands on this device and actually unbox it for the channel and review it and do a complete and thorough review for you guys. So it's IP68 water and dust proof. Now, one thing that on the show floor there at CES we did kind of make a boo-boo on, this thing is or does have 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage. So sorry about that guys. I think it was said in the video that it was 1 gig and everybody was trashing the phone, but there you go. You have its military standard 810, I believe, shock and drop proof from 2 meters. So it's basically a 6-foot drop it can withstand just about. And if you want to go ahead and order this phone, you can go ahead on www.nuumobile.com. the NUU Mobile R1, I believe it's at $150 right now. Don't quote me on that. Go ahead and look for your specifics right there. And as far as the specs go, you can actually see right here, it is a 5-inch HD IPS display, 1.5 gigahertz quad-core processor. You do have your rear camera at 8 megapixel, front camera at 2 megapixel. This thing does not want to focus. Dual SIM right there. And like I said, it does have 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB of internal memory, and you do have a 4,000 milliamp battery. So there you go. It has a 4,000 milliamp battery. That is pretty much the call out features of this phone is going to be that 4,000 milliamp battery, and it's going to be that IP68 dustproof and mil spec 810 right there. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this puppy right here. So this is what the unboxing experience is like. Now let me tell you guys, this thing is heavy. This thing is nice and sturdy right out the gate. As soon as you open this thing up, this thing feels like a brick. I love it, love it, love it. I do have the NUU Mobile G3 Plus right here, and feeling the 2 right here, this one is definitely heavier. Definitely wow. So I'm going to go ahead and peel this. It looks like it comes with a pre-built-in screen protector, so I'm going to go ahead and peel this second layer off. But real quick before we do, the call outs once again: 5-inch HD 720p MediaTek 1.5 gigahertz quad-core processor, 1.68 waterproof and dustproof, 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigabytes of ROM, mil spec 810G, shock and drop proof, 4,000 milliamp. NUU Mobile, unlock phones made better. So there you go. All right, put that part right there. So, and then we're gonna go ahead and peel off the back as well. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the back of the phone as well. This thing looks like it's ready for war, my friends. Ready for war, I'm telling you. As you guys can see right there, you do have your secondary mic right there for noise cancellation. You got your LED light, you got your camera in the back, your 8 megapixel camera, and this thing is a beauty. You got the NUU Mobile logo right there in a nice silver, and then the black kind of embossed in there. Then you have this kind of honeycomb type look around it, and rugged. Look at that speaker grill. Boy, look at that speaker grill. This thing looks like it's ready for war. Like I said guys, you do have your microphone jack down there. You do have a micro USB port right there. So this is your micro USB port. All the ports are actually covered, so that's a really nice feature right there. So you do got to put that back right there. And then you do have a headphone jack up top, which is also covered. So there's your headphone jack right there. Let me put this thing back, and then you do have your SIM card tray right over here, and you do have screws on either side, so you can see the metal screws on either side right there, and like I said, you do have a This is your SIM card, and ooh, get that out there. Your SIM card right there. Go ahead and pull that out. So you can put your SIM card, and you can put a memory SD card right in there. So boom. So yeah, metal all around for the SIM card tray. Let's go ahead and give it its first boot up. This is Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and it has that extra layer of protection that they gave right there, a screen protector right at the jump. Got your new mobile right here. It is kind of cloudy today, but it's all good because this is the weather conditions that this phone is made to endure. So you're saying, well, Magic Tech Review, this thing has 2 gigabytes of RAM and 16 gigabytes of storage. This is not the phone for me. Well, let me just go ahead and go through the thing right here. This phone, my friends, connect to mobile network. If you have, it's okay. Let's skip this. This type of phone right here can be like a backup phone if you want to go hiking, if you're traveling to another country or something like that, and you don't know what kind of conditions you're going to be in. If you're in the military, firefighter, rescue services, any type of environment that you don't know what type of conditions you're going to be in, then this phone probably is going to be the phone for you. Even if you want to have it as a backup phone, let's say you have a nice, you have your nice mobile G3 Plus, and you don't want to get it, you don't want to get it ruined in the dirt or the weather or the rain or anything like that, then you take this thing with you. So let's go ahead, brighten this thing up just a little bit more. All right, guys, so like I said, Ultimate Tank right here. I'm going to go ahead and go through the apps here just for a quick preview, but other than that, guys, we're going to go ahead and save the rest for another time. I'm going to go through camera, I'm going to go through speakers and everything like that, but for right now, you're basically just taking your quick look around for your first look at your new mobile R1. I am so excited. I'm probably gonna let little John mess around with this phone and see how he does with this phone. Like I said, 2 meter drop. Wow, protection, that is insane. So this is what the dialer is going to go ahead and look like real quick. So you can go ahead and right there, let's go ahead and just hear what the volume sounds like on this puppy. Turn this volume up, bring her up, volume up, alarm clock up. So I might do a challenge with this phone. I might actually use it myself. Oh yeah, that's a nice speaker. Oh yeah. Yeah, definitely. Definitely seems like you got a big old speaker on the back, which is always really nice and welcome. So let's go ahead and just jump into the settings real quick, just to make sure we do have what we have. So storage right there, used 15 gigabytes of 16. So it looks like you have about, it says 5.26 used of 16 gigabytes. So it looks like you're gonna have a little over 10 gigabytes of use out of it. And we're going to go ahead and take a look around the phone. Take a look at the system. System update to Android 8.1.0. So it is running on 8.1.0. So that's really nice out of the box to have that right there. You got your languages and input right there. And you have your Google Voice typing and the Gboard, of course. So other than that, guys, I guess I'm going to go ahead and go. Let's see here. Let's look at the display. Adaptive brightness. Let's crank this brightness a little bit up. You're going to put your wallpaper. A bunch of different wallpapers you got up there. Sleep for 2 minutes. Advanced. You got your font size. Go ahead and pump that up a little bit for us that can't really see too well. Go ahead and put that up as well. But yeah, this thing basically just comes right out the box. It comes with just your basics, guys: calculator, calendar, camera, cell broadcast, Chrome, clock, contacts, drive, Duo, file manager, FM radio, Gmail, Google Maps, messages, phone, photos, play music, play movies, play store, settings, SimTool, sound recorder, and YouTube. So really stock experience, which I really enjoy on these new mobile phones. They are doing it right in 2019. Not all this bloatware stuff that you find on these other devices. So if you did enjoy the content, go ahead and leave that like. Let me know if you would like to get this phone, or if you like the way that NUU Mobile is handling their devices in 2019. Definitely think this thing is a win, especially if you're looking for something rugged, man. I'm telling you, you have to feel this thing in your hand yourself. It feels like an absolute tank, and I'm loving it. Alright guys, this has been John from Magic Tech Review, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Hey, listen.